So I think I'm gonna try a little bit different style for this video. I do gotta talk about the drop list for Supreme, but I decided let's switch it up a little bit. Let me grab my girl's camera and see what's up. Low key, I gotta do a room tour. It's probably gonna come within a week or two. I just gotta tidy this shit up a little bit because it's looking kind of steep. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but once I do, that room tour is gonna be out. But this vlog is mainly gonna be about the Supreme drop list. I've been on my Instagram for hours today, honestly, but I decided to make this video, and hopefully you guys are rocking with this style format. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Today I actually have a couple things to get through. I have to film this video, which is actually a reel that's gonna be on Instagram. This is for Reputation Studios, shout out to them, but I have to film that in a little bit. Then I also have to get the drop list going because the list is out. I'm gonna briefly talk about it. I'm not really gonna be sitting there for too long, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I think soon I need to reorganize this shit, like my sneaker collection. I don't know if I should film the collection first or reorganize it then do it. I don't know. I don't really like the way it's looking right now. We gonna have to adjust. I might have to add another row up low key because I don't got no space to move that way or that way. Like I'm stuck, so I might have to add a row going up, which I didn't really want to do because I like the angle of the videos like this. You get what I'm saying? I would have to make it higher and it would change it a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Once I do this room tour, I will start vlogging and it will be a little bit more easier to do it because literally this room is kind of small. So if I show you the other side, you're gonna see the whole room type shit. So we gonna talk about it when it's time to talk about it. But let's go ahead and sit down on the computer real quick. So we gonna hop into the screen real quick and see if there's doo-doo or fire for Supreme this week. Let's see what's up. Hey, leave a like on this video. Let's get straight to it. So y'all already know the vibes. Today we back for the full drop list. If y'all saw yesterday's video, I covered some of these items. Yes, you feel me? The Aeon Flux, which I did learn is actually an anime. So I didn't know all that. But apparently a lot of people are interested in this anime series and I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see what's up with it. If it's good, I'll let y'all know. Someone commented on my video saying that they're excited about the collab because Travis Scott has made Aeon Flux vintage tees sell out or some shit like that. Let me know if y'all know anything about that in the comments. That's all I really had that was new about that. But let's talk about the small box logo crew necks. These shits go hard, bro. 7 different colors. Honestly, that baby blue, the gray, that burgundy color, these actually look clean. That minty green, I believe that these colors are almost like an overwashed tone and I am feeling it, especially for springtime. Those are gonna retail at $138. I don't know if it's gonna have much resale simply because the box logo isn't huge on it and a lot of people don't be feeling that shit. I still think it's a pretty solid piece. We do have the small box sweatpants coming out as well. These are coming in the same colors. I do wish that the small box was a little bit lower on the pair of pants. That's my only gripe on these, but they're not terrible. You feel me? That baby blue color goes hard. Burgundy, the mint, I feel like these are some pretty solid colorways. Let me know what's your favorite in the comments. These are some essential pair of sweats. You can't go wrong with these, honestly. I'm gonna give y'all my complete opinion on Aeon Flux at the end, but we do got the Regency Pajama Set. This one basically looks like a fine china plate and it comes in a set of 2 for $218. I think it's a bargain, you feel me? If you're trying to wear these separately, you do have 2 pieces to play with. To me, it's nothing too special or anything that I would really go out the way for, so I'm probably gonna sleep on these shits. $218. I don't really need the PJs to sleep on that shit. We do got the Gore-Tex Pack Light suit. This shit is for if you're trying to go skiing, hiking, anything related, low-key. There's this big ass Supreme on the side of this. I know y'all see it low-key. It's literally a jacket and a pair of pants put together all in one. Hey, I'm good on this shit. Out of all 3, the only one that I would wear skiing is the black one. The other ones are a little much in my opinion. I probably just stay subtle in the huddle. Shit's kind of cheeks, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We do got this acid wash short sleeve. This one comes in like 5 colors. The gray one or the olive, even that blue. These are actually clean. This week is low-key the overwashed week. I'm feeling it, bro. It's just like the simple logo overwash pieces releasing this week. So cold. Retail for this is $78 though. That's probably the reason I end up sleeping on pieces like this. But we got the two-tone Twill camp cap. This one has a long ass name, but I do like the brown and tan color. I feel like it's something different, a little bit more earth tone vibes on that one, and I don't really have any hats in that color. I'm feeling it. Am I gonna cop? Probably not. We do got the white and the red. If that white was that cream or even that tan that's on the brim of the brown one, fire, bro. But I'm dead ass probably not even gonna cop any of these. There's this sticky note beanie, which is actually kind of playful. I'm feeling this one, I'm not gonna lie. The brown color on this one is solid, black one is clean. Even that lilac purple, I'm actually loving this beanie. I don't know if I might end up going for it come release, but I think it's a solid one and I might go for it. We gonna have to wait and see. I don't know what's going on. Retail at $38. I actually think this is a solid piece. There's these regular jeans releasing. I'm only gonna show y'all the floral color, bro. That shit look like a mantel or a fucking tablecloth from back in the day. Like, I'm good on that shit. The repeat track jacket, shit has Supreme a billion times on it in like this typewriter font. It's OD, like just so unnecessary. I wonder if you could actually notice it in person, because on this picture this shit look crazy. Yeah, this shit is cheeks. We got the precision long sleeve top. This one just has these little patches on the front, nothing on the back. It's kind of weird, to be honest. This almost looks like a motocross before you start the race shirt, like before you throw on all the padded shit. This is what you wearing in the huddle, my brother. Like, I'm good on this shit. It's coming in like 5 colors and it's not coming in hot for me. We sleeping on that shit. There's this plaid short sleeve top. The patterns on this is weak, bro. Like, super cheeks. Definitely sleeping on this shit. The black one is mid and the other ones is just straight dumpster, bro. Like, we don't need those. We got the repeat track pants, which is the same shit as the jacket, probably worse, bro. We about to just, that shit is so ass. Like, I just don't understand why, bro. We got the spread 6 panel. This one's not terrible. I feel like what's fucking it up for me is the font that they decided to go. This is literally like the most common, simplest font. If it was like old English, this shit would have slapped. If this shit was in graffiti, it would have slapped. Why you using Times New Roman, bro? Like, why you using Comic Sans? Like, what are we doing out here? Let me know, please. They're using Arial, not even Arial bold out here. Like, what are you doing, bro? That's just ass. We got the Velvet Crusher. If you pulling up in this shit, let me know what you wearing on the rest of your fit. Like, I want to know how you gonna pull this shit off. I just can't do it, brother. But that's the lookbook items releasing this week. Now I'm gonna talk about the Aeon Flux a little bit. I know I covered it already, but hey, might as well. This tee is hard. This is probably one of the items that I'm gonna go for. Probably my favorite piece releasing this week. Besides that, I'm not really feeling much that's dropping. The long sleeve is hard in that brown color, but I still like the tee. It's more simple, it's more my style, so I'd probably still go for that. The jacket is cool for whoever wants to get it, you feel me? $500 could smoke a whole tip. Like, we not, no, negative, just not happening. The sweater's kind of ass, the zip ups kind of ass. Shit is just mid as fuck. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this one in the comments below. This one might take me a little bit longer to edit, but I feel like it's a little more entertaining for y'all. So I'm gonna try to make my videos a little different. Give me some likes down below if this is something you would enjoy more on the channel. This is just a little glimpse, honestly. I could show y'all so much more. Let me know and I would do that for you. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment if you're going for anything this week. Let me know what type of content y'all would like to see. At this point, honestly, I'm about to just hop on Nori archives, see if I could get a little post in, see what's going on. I am actually at 3,800 followers, which I'm so grateful for. I've been grinding on there. I've literally posted 530 times. Crazy, bro. But yeah, man, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.